In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a CPAGrip landing page to promote your CPA offer. So it doesn't matter, you can use CPA lead, CPA build, just to show you how to create a CPA landing page. And the reason why I want to show you this, these days you cannot promote a CPA offer directly on your social media account or on even YouTube, because now all the social media networks, they are just striking people and banning pages and stuff like that. So please avoid this mistake. And I have tutorial on how to create a CPAGrip account in case you don't have an account. Okay, I'll drop the tutorial link in the description box. So when you log in, click on Offer Tools, My Offers, and these are all the offers that you have at the moment. Okay, now you can change the country, okay, because this is my default country. So you can change if you want US, okay, and you can get all your stuff. And always remember to choose an offer that has green. That means it's doing well on the market, okay. When you have red, that means they are struggling to make it, okay. I'll show you something. Okay, so let's say PayPal, for instance. See how this says this offer only allowed in the United States. This is not worldwide, so I would advise you not to bother unless you want to promote to the US market. That means when you are doing your free traffic or your paid ad and stuff like that, you can only direct or target your US market. All right, so just something that you need to know. All right, so I'll go back. All right, so I'll change this to the default Canada. All right, there's a product that I want to work on. Okay, enter for a McDonald's gift card. All right, so you can promote anything, but I want to promote this. All right, see, enter for a McDonald's gift card now. All right, so this is how the offer page gonna look like. Okay, you can even change the domain tracking to, let's say, Avant to files, or let's say reward files. So that's basically about that. Then the link and your image. All right, so now it's time to create the landing page. All right, so we're gonna go up, click on funnels, then click on create and name the page. So let's say this is what, McDonald's gift card. Okay, so right click, copy, go back here, right click, paste. All right, so this is the name. So this is just for your record, okay? Nobody will see this. All right, so by default, system.io will use your Gmail account name as your subdomain .system.io, but I don't want that. So what I'll do, I'll change it to my domain name, and I have a tutorial on it, how to connect a domain name and verify it. All right, so I'll change it to my domain name. So it's gonna be / let's say McDonald's gift card, but I'll show you that later. Build an audience, sell custom evergreen. So in this case, it's build an audience. Then US dollar, that's the default, but you can change to euro or Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and the list goes on, even Brazilian real. But the US default is the best. Then click on create. These are all the system.io templates available for you. I'm just trying to show you what they have. All right, so with what I'm about to do, I need something simple like this. Preview, let's see. Yeah, something like this. I want something simple, so I'll just click on select. All right, so I'll just delete the thank you page. I don't need any thank you page. All right, and what's the name? So the template we are using is called squeeze page. We don't want this name. We want McDonald's gift card. Okay, just so we know what the product is all about or what the offer is about. Then the extension name, we're gonna change this. So my domain name / we're gonna change this to McDonald's. Okay, I'll paste this here. And you can, with domain extensions, you can have capital letters, so it has to be small letters. Save it first. That means the domain link is good. Okay, all right, so now it's time to edit. All right, so I don't need this. I'll delete it, like the entire box. All right, so now what's the test? Enter to, Okay, right click, copy, go back, Control A to highlight everything and paste. So I'll change this one to green. So let's say green. Let's check the offer. So this is green. The button they're gonna end up on is green as well. All right. And what else? A McDonald's gift card worth $100. First of all, let me delete this. Okay, so I need a test. Win a McDonald's gift card worth $100. $100. Okay, so I'll keep it like this. So let's check something. See how it doesn't say this offer is only for US? This is something you always have to check. So this is worldwide, all right? And the text is black, and let me just bold it. Okay, just so it's gonna stand out. All right, so now I'm gonna have to find image. So now I'm gonna go to, let's see. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll copy this link. Okay, go to incognito, drop it here. So this is what I want. I want the image. Right click, copy image to Canva. This is free, you can use it. Okay, gift card. All right, and grab one of these gift cards. Click on this. Okay, delete everything. We don't need this, we don't need that. Then I'll Control V and paste it. Bam. Let's increase this, increase that. All right, so I'll check this color, light yellow kind of thing. Yeah, just so it's gonna look a little similar like here. I'll change this for my record. All right, just for me to know that this image is about this. Okay, and sometimes you never know, it might pop up in Google search. So this is just optimizing it for SEO. Click share, download, make sure it's on PNG, then download. It's done. So I'll go back and click on this gear. See this cloud here? Yeah, click on it, select, open, insert, save it, then scroll down. So now I'm gonna work on the button. So click on the button. Action when button clicked. Change show pop-up to open URL, because I want people to go straight to the link. And this is a default landing page link. Delete it, because that's the template we are using. Go back here, copy this link back to system IO, right click, paste it, then click save first before you forget anything. We're gonna have to work on this because it's too big. Click on this gear, delete, get instant access. This is all I want. Font style, click save again. We have to work on the disclaimers. Actually, let's delete this. All right, so the disclaimers, click on this. For the privacy policy and disclaimer, we're gonna go to the link offer, copy the link offer, go straight to incognito, paste it, enter. So we're gonna come down here and you see this privacy policy. Just right click and copy link address, go back and change the color to white just so I can see. Alright, so that's how you change the color. Save, delete this. Normally it should be disclaimer and privacy policy or terms and condition. Then when you highlight, click the link, drop the link, see this, click save. Alright, so as you can tell, it's underlined. Anyhow, so this is all they have. So we'll keep it like that. We have to delete this one because we don't need it. Then click on save. Okay, the reason why I'm using their privacy policy is because I'm promoting this product for them, and normally it's better to use your affiliate disclaimer like success page affiliate disclaimers, but I'll try and come up with how to create this affiliate policy thing and the disclaimers because it's really important. Save. All right, so let's go to next. So this is how it's gonna look like. All right, and people can click here and go to the page. Actually, I don't like this color, so let's go back to edit. So I'll say I'll delete this, enter, get a McDonald's gift card. Save again and let's see. So this is good. Get a McDonald's gift card now. Win a McDonald's gift card worth $100. Okay, that's good. And I'll go down. Like I said, I don't want this color. Scroll down. Where is it? Here. Background color. Change it to white. Okay. And save. This system IO is so fast. See? Right there. It's changed already. This is amazing. I like this system. This is the link you're gonna promote. So let's say if I copy this, copy, and I go to incognito, paste it here, enter, boom. This is it. Then click on get instant access. See? Then we are here on the McDonald's promo offer page. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.